Hey everybody, Rich here at Flippin' for a Living. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I just want to do a quick rundown of my Thursday yard sailing. It was one of those actually pretty amazing Thursdays. That's right, Thursday, right? Who goes yard sailing on a Thursday? I went to 4 yard sales and I found something at every sale. I pretty much hit the jackpot. I'm going to show you guys real quick just what's out there even on a Thursday at yard sales. Pretty cool stuff. It started off, this wasn't necessarily the order I got things in, but one sale had a whole bunch of just giving stuff away. They had these old vintagey gas cans, one for $2, one for 75 cents. And these I sell all the time for like $15 to $20 a piece. They had these baseboard heaters. I don't know if you can see there, $1 and $2. In my area of the world, winter comes hard and it comes fast. And although those things suck up the energy bill really bad, a lot of people still like them that are renting because they don't care if their utilities are included. So for a little extra heat, they'll plug those in. I'll easily get $20 a piece for those, so $3 turns into $40 really fast. This rug is in immaculate shape. I always make sure when I'm buying rugs that they don't have pets, because I've had dogs that can't seem to find outside and they sometimes might find the rug to do their business, and then of course the rug is trashed. So this one, you got to give it the smell test right in front of the customer or right in front of the person selling, and it's kind of embarrassing, but better safe than sorry, right? I paid $20 for that and I'm gonna be able to flip that easily for 75 bucks locally. The best thing about all this stuff, you guys, is out of about 16 or 18 items, only 3 of them I have to post online. The rest are all local flips. Yeah, a lot of this stuff you might think that you should sell it online, but no. Start selling local, you guys. Save yourself the packing, the shipping, the fees, the bad feedback, the returns, all that stuff. Think more locally. If you're in a market where you have 100,000 people or more in your surrounding area, then I believe your market is big enough for a lot of things that people use on a daily basis. You don't have to worry about finding that one person across the country or across the world who might want it. So some more amazing finds. It was pretty nice to walk up to a sale that still had this sitting out for $10. It does only have 1 game and 1 controller, but it has that super arcade shark controller there. That's worth 50 bucks by itself. I've got this posted for $75 already, and I have a lot of people interested, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna at least get 70 for that off of 10 bucks. And yeah, the shark alone is worth another 50. I may throw that up on eBay, but I'm gonna try locally. You can see on the Lego there, $20 for that huge box of Lego, and it's actual Lego. There's no Mega Bloks in there because that decreases your value quite a bit. There's at least 10 or 12 pounds there. You can usually get about $10 a pound for Lego, so I'm looking at $80 to $100 there. This snowboarding helmet kind of just looks like a regular bike helmet, but this is actually for snowboarding. I paid $5 for this Bollé, and they're selling for about $50 a piece. These hip waders, I did pay $10 for those. I'm also going to sell those locally. I've never bought hip waders before, but I just realized maybe I've never seen them before, because at $10 they really appealed to me. I looked at them, I thought, you know, those gotta be $70 or $80 new, and it turns out I should be able to easily get $35 or $40 for those. I'm gonna sell them locally too, because we have a lot of lakes in my area, a lot of fishermen. No point in putting those online. I'll make 25 bucks off those, no problem. One chair, this fiberglass egg chair, it's not vintage, but it is kind of retro looking. I paid $10 for that. I'm gonna also sell that locally for 50 bucks. This was kind of interesting. This person, they said they had a storage locker full of stuff, and this is all display models. So these faucets, those sinks, they're actually display models in some type of Home Depot type store or whatever. I paid $10 for this stainless steel sink. Those are typically like $99 to $199 in Home Depot, so I'm easily going to get 50 bucks out of that one. This granite one, You can see they had 25 on it. I got them down to 15 on that. I have that posted for $75 locally. $75 locally. I should actually probably jack that up. That's probably closer to $200 new for the vanity and the sink together. And then these two brand new faucets, again, they were never installed. The boxes are a little tattered because they were display models. They were $15 each. These I'm probably gonna put on eBay. I'll try locally first, really quick, see if I can sell them in a few days. If I can't, they're going for $60 to $80 a piece. So another, you know, roughly 4 or 5 times our money on those. And this ceramic electric cooktop, a lot of people like those at the cabins. You know, it's got a nice secure plug-in on there. No chance that's ever gonna burn your house or cabin down, right? I would be worried plugging that in or leaving it plugged in without changing that out. But a lot of people looking for these for campers and people who have cabins. $3 for that, and I'll easily get 30 for that, so 10 times our money. And where's my list? Right here. Last but not least, you guys, right in the man cave here, this Samsung, come on to this side, Samsung 46-inch 1080p TV. I got this posted already. I paid $50 for it. I got it posted for $250. I've had 2 people offer me $200 already. I knew I was willing to take that. So $150 profit on that. It's basically out the door, whoever can get here first. My stuff locally, I always sell it first come, first serve. Actually, first to pay me is first served. So that's my amazing Thursday finds, you guys. $201 spent, pricing out at $975. 160 of it's going on eBay. $815 I'm selling locally. So hardly any fees on that. It's going to be all profit. Almost $800 profit off $200. That's why I love thrifting and sourcing at yard sales. It is by far the best markup. So, thanks for coming to the channel, you guys. Thanks for coming to Flipping for a Living. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. If you haven't already done so, feel free to hit that subscribe button at your leisure and the notification bell so you know when all my new videos come out. And I hope you guys all have a great day and love what you do.